The perfect hack to avoid lumpy mashed potatoes this holiday season is to use a potato ricer instead of a mixer. Peel, cut, and boil 4 russet potatoes until fork tender, then add into your ricer and press into a large bowl. Add melted butter, half and half, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Mix, then you're ready to serve and enjoy.
Cut the flow down, pizzazz, platinum plus, like Zizak, dangerous on Trizak, leave your ass pizzazz.
Baby boy, you stay on my mind. Baby boy, you are so damn fine. Baby boy, won't you be mine? Baby boy, let's come sing and dance.
If you're not sure what to make your guests this holiday season, then look no further. These mini cinnamon apple cakes are delicious, come together in minutes, and all the ingredients and supplies can be found at Walmart. I love using pre-made ingredients during the holiday season because I can serve up a delicious dish that still tastes homemade, and the time I saved can be used to spend with friends and family. Spray your baking dish, then add your batter, and bake at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. Top with caramel drizzle and cinnamon, then you're ready to serve and enjoy. Looking for a last-minute Friendsgiving dish? Try out these Skyline Chili Tater Tots. Cook tots according to the package directions, then microwave 2 Skyline chili pouches on high for 2.5 minutes. Add chili to your baking dish, followed by tots, chopped onion, yellow mustard, and 1 bag of Skyline shredded cheese. Serve with hot sauce and oyster crackers, then you're ready to enjoy.